Huh. Hey everyone, it is a balmy 32 degrees at 4 p.m. after the fourth day of this epic ice snowstorm. More snow than they've seen here in Tennessee since 2009. And of course, what a welcome for my return to Tennessee, a fantastic snowstorm. And I just wanted to share with you some images of my place. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Wow, it looks like a deer convention here. Look at all this. They all got together right here and said, okay, we're gonna go hang out behind Kaye's shop. Look at these frozen, what were they? I think these were tomatoes that I never pulled out. They're frozen. The deer couldn't find anything else to eat, so they ate those collards that were left. Look at that. All the deer tracks. They go, the only green thing in the garden. There's my Christmas tree. Let's go check out my friend. Yes, I know I should try to go sledding, but you know what? That's pretty steep. And it's all falling into shadow pretty soon. Oh boy. Just don't want to get hurt, you know? Where's the sidewalk? Look at all these bird tracks. It's a convention. Oh, please survive. Please. I know I should have gotten you in the ground. I'm so sorry. Please survive. Rhododendrons. What was that? Oh my gosh. Oh, those are the icicles falling. Oh wow, they've already all fallen. Whew, I gotta be careful. Look at my fig tree. Oh, I feel so bad. My gardenia is still green, but icicles are dripping fast. Wow, that was all icicles. Let's go down. Check out. You can see grass where I scooped up the snow. Oh, you lost your nose. Ooh, and both of your buttons. Oh, you don't look so happy now. Let's fix your smile. There. Good for another day. Your eye looks a little less cheerful. There we go. Okay. Oh, you are a good snowman. I got this whisk broom. This is my favorite hat from Scotland. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, that was another one. Did you hear that? I better not get under there. Let's go see if that huge one hanging over the grill. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Those are big. Whoa! Wow. Ooh, that's cold. I could make a whole pitcher of iced tea with that. Rainwater. I should keep that. Oh, it's too cold. Never mind. Here, you stay there. Oh, wow, okay. I'm cold. Look at all of these seed shells. What a mess. Oh my goodness. It's like the tray is empty, but look at all of that over there. That just must be the husk or the shell or something. What a mess. All right, birds. You're gonna have to do better. Well, the birds are eating me out of house and home, and at this rate, I will be completely out of bird seed in 2 days. And there isn't a track on my driveway, so whether I can get out tomorrow is debatable. I mean, I won't be able to get out in the Prius. That's not even possible. I mean, I could go down, but could I go up? No. And could I go down but back up? No. But reinforcements are coming tomorrow. My sister-in-law will be here to help me for about 2.5 days trying to get things organized inside. Because, of course, all of the water projects that I've mentioned got put on hold because of this surprise storm. So the focus will be on getting my raised beds situated. I placed a huge order today. I went crazy. I ordered trees, fruit trees, elderberry bushes, blackberry vines, grapevines. I don't even remember what all I ordered. A lot of, and asparagus. 100 asparagus crowns. I was determined to grow asparagus, and I never could do it very well in California because I just didn't have the space. And you know, asparagus, you've got to plant it and it's got to stay there for 10 years. So whether I'm here for 10 years or not is anybody's guess, but at least I'll get it started. And these are 2-year-old crowns, so by maybe next year I might have some very tiny shoots, which I love to eat. So you're supposed to not eat those because the next year is when they come back even more. So anyway, thanks so much for watching this channel. If you're a late bloomer like me, I hope you'll subscribe, tell your friends, and find something that you enjoy on this channel, which includes gardening and a whole lot more. So I'll see you next time. Ooh. My friend is shiny.